Hey friends, if you encounter this error, Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ended prematurely on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So this is just a very simple process, but by doing all of this process or methods or solutions, the problem will be fixed. So first is we need to open our File Explorer. Click on this. We need to delete any Epic Games folder. So click on this PC, click on the Windows C drive, and then scroll down to Program Files, and then look for the Epic Games. So if you find the Epic Games right here, then what you'll have to do, just make a right click and then select delete. Again, if this is the Epic Games, what you'll have to do is you just need to make a right click and then select delete. Once done, go back to this PC, Windows C drive. This time we need to look for the program files, the one with the x86. Then double click and look for the Epic Games. So this one, delete this. Click on continue. Once done, close this window. Then right-click at the taskbar, select Task Manager, or you can just simply search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Then here you have this Run New Task, the one with the plus sign symbol, Create New Task. Click on that. Then here, just follow me. You need to type MS. It's MSIEX dot exe. It's MSIEXEC.exe. And then make sure to check this box for create this task with administrative privileges. Then click on browse. In here, you need to locate for the path or the where you have saved, the path where you have saved the AA. Not the AA, but the Epic Games installer. Sorry for that. It's not AA, but the Epic Games installer. So in my case, I have it in my desktop. Then just click on this programs and then click on all files. I have here the Epic installer. I click on that, click on open. Then make sure to check this box for create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Now once that is done, you have here the repair. Then click on repair. And then you just have to wait for this. So this is currently repairing the Epic Games Launcher. So by following all of the two methods that I have shown you, then the problem will be fixed. Now once done, then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.